What is a company? This question may seem simple at first, but the answer is more complex than you might think. In the legal sphere, a company is defined by the Companies Act of 2013, Section 2, Clause 20, as an entity incorporated under the Act or any previous company law. However, this definition doesn't fully encapsulate what a company is, so let's delve deeper. According to Lord Justice Lindley, a company is an association of individuals who contribute to a common stock, which is then used in some form of trade or business. The profits and losses from this venture are shared amongst the members, who are identified by their proportion of the capital or their shares in the company. On the other hand, Chief Justice Marshall offers a more abstract definition. He describes a corporation as an artificial being, invisible and intangible, that exists only in the eyes of the law. It possesses only the properties conferred upon it by its charter, either expressly or as a necessary implication of its existence. Meanwhile, Professor Haney defines a company as an artificial person created by law with a separate entity, perpetual succession, and a common seal. These definitions highlight the key features of a company. A company, as per the Companies Act, comes into existence only when it is registered under the Act. Upon registration, a company becomes a body corporate, acquiring a legal personality separate and distinct from its members. A registered company is created by law, and only law can regulate, modify, or dissolve it. In a case in the Supreme Court of India, it was clarified that the term company in a notice inviting tender by the state of Telangana could only refer to a company as understood under the Companies Act, not including a firm. Now, let's explore the main characteristics of a company. The most significant features are the separate legal entity of the company, and in most cases, the limited liability of its members. A company must be incorporated or registered under the Companies Act. The minimum number of members required to form a company is 7 for a public company and 2 for a private company. However, Section 3 of the Companies Act 2013 allows for the formation of a one-person company. To summarize, a company is a legal entity created under the Companies Act. It is an association of individuals who contribute to a common stock for a shared business venture. A company has its own legal personality, separate from its members, and it is regulated solely by the law. The essential characteristics of a company include its separate legal entity and the limited liability of its members.